Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I thought we might do something different. This channel just reached 30,000 subs, and traditionally what I do is do serious reviews of knives and gear. And a long time ago, somebody sent me this Ontario knife company Raider Bowie, USA made. I believe it's 1085 steel, big, heavy, crazy thing, right? Really cool. I don't have much of a use for it in my day-to-day life, so I thought, why not use it today? Let's do something fun. I've got this old stump that we use we play a game called Stump, believe it or not, in Kansas. But today it's actually going to serve as the platform where I chop some stuff in half in slow motion for you guys. Everything is expired or was going to be thrown away for one reason or another, like this carton of cage-free liquid eggs. This expired in the middle of September. So the items, damaged, stuff that was going to be thrown out for one reason or another. That's what we're going to be doing today. So you can pick this guy up down in the description, but without further ado, let's go ahead and chop some stuff in half. Wow. This thing, it held up. A couple of times I ran into nails and things that are in the stump, or I hit the fence, but, the edge really doesn't look like it took much damage at all. Truthfully, this thing is super thick behind the edge. You can see where the grind is there, and it might be convex. And we're probably looking at a 1/4 inch on the spine. So yeah, it's definitely a chopper. The tip's fine, it's just got some dirt on it, but yeah, I think it's all right. I'm pretty impressed with this. Pretty awesome. All right, we're back inside. I've got this thing cleaned up. That was That was a lot of fun. I don't know that I've ever done anything exactly like that. I've always, I've seen people do it on other videos, but I've never done that before. That was a lot of fun. I'll point out right off the bat, I definitely should have been wearing gloves. I wasn't. That was kind of dumb. Don't do stuff like that without wearing gloves. Something really bad could have happened. Also, I wasn't wearing protective eyewear, and honestly, I wasn't thinking about it because I was like, it's just, it's just expired fruits and vegetables, and there was a soccer ball in there, but there's nothing that can hurt my face, right? Chunks of wood from the stump, old rusty nails that were in there, right, if they broke off, the outer parts of the pineapple. I didn't think about that. Should have been wearing eye protection, but I didn't. Everything's fine. So yeah, that wasn't very smart. So this is this Raider Bowie. This is like a $65-ish knife. It's just been sitting downstairs forever and not doing anything. This is made out of 1075 high carbon steel, not stainless at all. Not something like not like these high end. This is an ingot form steel. It's not like these high end powder steels that have amazing edge retention. No, this is basically a big sharpened wedge of high carbon steel. Very tough, very heavy. Man, I'll tell you what, let me show you guys. So I definitely hit some nails and the fence with this repeatedly, and it really suffered pretty minor damage. You can see right there, these areas right here is really the maximum amount of damage the thing took. I really, really smoked this thing. The tip is fine, right? Crazy. I really was beating on this. I mean, the parts where it was hitting the nails and stuff, and I think at one point the iron brace on the front on the fence, right? Yeah, it's amazing how tough some of these steels are, right? Now, if I had done that with something like let me think here, maybe the M390. On like the SOCOM Elite? No, not at all. This thing would it would just be shattered. It would just look like broken teeth, right? Really, really hard. Great for edge retention, but really, really hard stuff. And it's going to be much more chippy than something like this. So, knives with thick geometry and that are not stainless and ultra tough, right? Obviously have their place. This wasn't the best example of that. It was just some idiot chopping fruit in half in his backyard. But it was interesting. I mean, it wasn't meant as a scientific experiment or anything like that. It was just me wanting to use it, and I thought this would be a good way for me to, get some basic understanding of how this geometry and this type of steel is affected by something like a stump full of nails. Pretty cool. I was impressed by this. But yeah, this was just for fun. It was just to do something different, since I honestly never, I mean, I know it's cliche to say this, but who would have guessed that this channel would reach 30,000 subscribers? Certainly not me. Seriously, thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed and been around, since the early days, or if you've just recently subscribed. Thank you. If this is the first video of mine that you've ever seen, normally I do very serious reviews, like I was saying earlier. So that's the type of content you can expect. It's not likely I'll do something like this again anytime soon, but I'm glad that I did it. It was a lot of fun. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.